I can't live like this.
Guys, we moved in. Look, you ready? There's my ashtray, my cigarettes. There's Mark's ashtray, his phone, his cigarettes, his soda. Here's my soda. Here's my bag. I got, look, we got this. We got that. Just in case.
Show that to the guy. Should have waved that.
Just in case. We got this.
Oh, there we go. I'll take that.
What? Oh, you want?
I want the eggplant.
You want the eggplant?
I don't like penis.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay. Very good.
Now I'm scared to hit the button.
All right, go ahead. Start us off.
Giddy up.
All right.
All right, that's enough. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.
No, we're gonna do this. We got this.
We got this.
You're gonna hit that. You gotta hit that one.
Of course, I've already got the broken.
You spin it for a little bit, and then I'll spin it for a little bit because I don't want to, like, my fat ass doesn't want to keep.
All right, come on.
Yes.
We need volume.
It's all the way up. You know, Mark. We lived here for like what, 2 nights in a row on this machine. You know it has no volume. You know it has no volume.
Stand behind us and make the sound. Ding 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 ding.
We qualify for the massive. Your dream can come true with the 616,000.
Bye, Discord.
Okay, so full disclosure. Before Mark and I went partners on this, I played it by myself. I gave it 300. So
and I let him. You go right ahead.
Come on.
Oh.
She's not ready yet.
She's not. That's all right.
All right, come
on.
on.
Ball. If the bowl gets stubborn, I'm going to kick the shit out of something. Here we go. Here's the ball. Look, you've already lost faith in me.
I figured let me just do a few.
I felt that little elbow in the ribs. Get the fuck out of here.
There we go.
See? Oh my god.
And it's with the gold one. Okay.
All right. You pick. You got it.
I'm going to pick 2. You pick 2.
Okay. Oh, I forgot it was the upgrade, too.
Okay. Oh, get the pink. Oh,
it's McGee.
All right, 28. Hi, Nora. Hi, everybody. I got to hold the phone at like a tilt so I can't see you that well.
Yelled at me, get the pink. Been a while.
All right.
He's behind us, Shannon.
Of course. He's going to stand there the whole time and watch.
Give me the dick. Give me the rubber dick. Pull again. All right, come on. You know what we need?
What do we need?
We need Anthony getting the ultimate downgrade next time.
I know, right?
We need to recreate.
Come on. Yes, bitch.
We're doing mystery,
High five.
right?
Of course.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I thought that was Angela. I'm like, she looks good.
All right. If we hand pay, we're done.
Yeah.
All right.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Mystery.
Douchebag.
Come on.
All right.
Oh, we need 10 or 15.
All
right, same thing. It's the same thing. Fine.
Better than what you just got, bitch.
I know, that's true. I got the ultimate downgrade. Ships.
Nothing.
Oh. What do you call it? Oh, okay, that's good. $288. And the pot closed.
Oh my god. My nipples haven't been hard like this in years.
Mm-hmm.
Do not get your hands out of my crotch.
I'm so hungry. I know.
Does anybody have a really good fart building up that we can use on him?
No, Joe used it all up yesterday.
I know, I already farted on Mark twice.
Oh, but I enjoy it.
They are silent.
This guy's driving me crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got to be more than that, right? Why are we...
Yeah, what's going on? You're winning more?
You got.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, you got the drag? No, you got the drag.
Yeah.
Why do you keep saying you? It's we.
Okay, you 2 and then me 2.
Oh, we're gonna get that.
Oh!
I don't want the responsibility.
No green, no green, no green. All right.
You're working your way up. Okay.
That's right.
Exactly.
The next one's going to be pink in the stink. All right, we still got 7 spins left too, Mark.
Sex in the stink hole, huh?
Come on, we want re-triggers, we want doggies.
We're still doing 500 times better than we did last time. Over
Come
a
on,
7 hour
ship.
period.
Yeah.
Is he doing one-liners?
Nothing there.
Oh, dragon.
Ship, nothing. All right, don't die on us. Come on, trigger. Fuck.
Trigger.
Dogs.
No.
A little doggy. And the pot closed again.
Nice. All right, I went first last time. You go to first this time.
Okay.
Yeah, nobody can see your thing. Nobody can see your thing. I can see it. Isn't it pretty?
Oh. Oh, well, that would.
All right, here comes the
I
big
can't
dragon.
believe how, like, right up their ass he is.
I just want to turn around and scream, what?
Coins. All right, last spin unless
Here
we
go. Come on,
re-trigger.
big hitter re-trigger.
Coins.
Coins.
All right, that's a good bonus.
That's a nice hit. All right, good night, folks.
I am hungry too. I'm actually starving. All right.
I eat. I'm birthday.
Go ahead, Mark. Do some spins.
Yes, sir.
You know what? We didn't light up a cigarette for that bonus. Oh my god. All right, let's light up. Hold on, guys.
Oh, the guy's gone.
Oh, thank
Because I
you.
took out my left testicle and I wagged it about.
Should I take mine out too? We'll leave them right
Only
here.
if you want people to run over. Oh, there we go. That you look like you've got an illness. What's that? All right, here we go.
All right, let's go.
Oh, I can't.
I don't know why we use the ashtrays. We ash on the floor.
They're right next to the lemon.
Jeanette, is my spit still on the wall?
Yes.
Oh, they really don't clean it, do
They
they?
don't wash here.
See, when I spin, I have to like lean forward, so I really can't see them at all.
Yes, but now they're really nestled in the.
Come on.
your bosom.
I was about to say I got us a bonus. But I got us a nice
All
$96 line hit.
Shit. All right, time for the mush.
Come on, you could do it. You could do it!
Mush.
Yes, bitch!
Yes.
That girl looked over. I think she's familiar with that term. What do you say, Jeanette? 15 at the lowest?
15.
You keep your fingers off this machine, is what I'm telling you.
15 spins on Mystery.
I'll do it up here this time.
All right, come on.
See the ass?
Oh, that's a nice ass. Oh no, we got more of a crowd. Oh no! Oh
What's the
no!
matter?
15. Okay.
All right.
There we go.
Oh, Jesus, I got scared. There's a lady in a wheelchair. I don't know what the hell is going on.
All right, come on. You can still.
Re-trigger.
Oh, that no.
Oh, don't do this.
No. Don't even
Okay,
think
one.
about dog.
All right.
I don't even. Oh, I didn't even see the coins. I saw bush and dog.
Well, it's a nice weekend, actually.
Doggy style in the bush.
Exactly. Oh, come on, give us a re-trigger. Re-trigger.
Come on, what are you doing?
Dragons.
All right, $96. And that's only dragons 2 ways. They pay $48 a way.
You have a 4-way with dragons, you get more than
Forget
dragons.
about that. If we fill up the screen with dogs, I'll run around this casino butt ass fucking naked.
I will have sex with Jeanette. What do you say, Jeanette? Take one for the team? Maybe we'll just do handsy stuff. What do you say? Come on now.
Wake up.
Where's that pot?
I feel a re-trigger right
I
now.
feel dragons.
Oh, but it didn't happen.
Because I'm a
Bush.
boy.
Oh, the pot, there's the
There
pot.
we go. I go first this time.
What's that?
The peanut butter shake.
Oh my god! Thank you! We're in danger.
Oh, he's gonna shit himself right in the middle of the game.
Keep picking. Come on. Pink! Damn it.
I was gonna say, don't suck it up, and you did.
Oh, hello to you too, Ann.
Hello.
They need to teach manners in Upper Manhattan, okay?
Oh my god, that's so good.
One more spin.
Glitter.
3, nothing. Okay.
Looks like page sugar.
That's not bad.
So we're up to 7 so far.
Seriously?
Oh,
Yeah.
we put in 1,000. Turn on your goddamn phone. Be a loyal subscriber. What the hell's wrong with you?
I was trucking it to get cupcakes.
You were fucking.
Right, you got this yellow. If only there was smell-o-vision, they smell delicious.
Can you smell the peanut?
The
Can you
what?
smell it? Oh, the cupcake.
What do you think I'm
She
talking
said,
about?
yeah, do you know what she said? Nobody gets any until he's had all he wants. What kind of fucking game is that?
Mark's spinning. Back to the spins.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
You want to do $10 spins to 1,400?
Rock on.
Okay, let's do it.
I was going to say, I wish I just done that.
The ride.
I should have Danette hit it. She's good with the $10 spin.
She still owes you money.
You still owe me $30 from Era.
Excuse me?
What?
What'd you say?
What's
Come on,
up?
get us the bonus.
You still
I
owe
owe
me
you
$30.
Come on, get us up. Get us a bonus.
Yeah, right?
Don't forget your sodas over
Yeah,
here.
it always on. Look, that same guy is on there. I'm telling you, he's been here since this morning.
Come on, get us a fucking
When I
bonus.
got here.
He's a shady
Yeah,
fuck.
he's been here since the morning. And he had a stack of hundreds right there.
I got a manicure just for this.
Ooh.
All right, finish your shake and then you can have a cup.
Okay.
Your turn.
Because that's going to melt.
I'm fucking it up.
What, I got 10 spins, 1,400. We're gonna go back down.
No, we're gonna
It-
get a
it's
bonus
like-
right now.
It.
Doesn't like 10.
All right.
Well, you guys are doing too bad.
No, we're doing okay.
Yeah, we're doing good.
Come on.
Break.
Ow.
Oh, come on now. Just one bonus, even a mini bonus.
Come on.
You're doing $10?
Yeah.
We
Come
got-
on.
We got
Oh.
balls from Miro. We got
A
balls.
little bit more.
Okay.
Make
I'm
it
fine, I
a
don't care.
horror.
$10. Okay. And it closed with the gold one.
And it's a $10 spin.
Mm-hmm.
Is it still good? I told him to actually.
Joey, I have a heart on.
I'm not talking, guys, because I keep sucking this shake. Oh,
If only someone
we're getting the
would-
mini. Don't even go ahead.
Oh, they shouldn't be allowed on a $10 spin. We didn't. It's all right. Jack, I'll do some more. I guess I won't. Mm-hmm. A personality. Mm-hmm. Nothing.
Oh God, I'm halfway done with it already. It's so good.
I finally got a win.
But then we were trying to decide.
Oh,
yes!
Oh my God.
I forgot. I don't know the rules. You have to tell me the rules.
We were going to get you Ben and Jerry ones. But then I was like, no, Joe wanted Tony.
Okay, Danette, this is it. This is the big one.
This is the big one.
This is the big one. You better do your stretches.
Wait, do you get extra for like double bolts or no?
All right, here
Yeah,
we
it
go.
gets rid of the 3x5 and it makes the biggest one 8x5.
Oh, okay.
All right, come on. 8x5, 8x5. Everyone say 8x5.
8x5, 8x5.
All right, 15. 15.
15.
All right.
Same
all
thing.
right. $10 bet.
Mm-hmm.
Full screen of dragons. Mark has a heart attack. Another.
Come on.
Don't do this. Come on.
No,
now.
no,
Is
no.
that peanut butter they want to know?
Chips.
Really? Now? Time?
$240.
See? Do you really think this is question period right now? I'm very stressed right now.
My stomach is already hurting.
My breasts hurt. I think I'm going to start to weep. that hold me. Retrigger you, bitch. Oh, what? Nothing? Oh,
Oh, we got-
yes. Now it's not going to be the mini because we just had the mini, so it's going to be the grand.
Get a
Oh,
pink one.
no.
Get a pink one, please.
No,
right.
brew.
Brew. Brew.
It's brew.
Where the fuck those cupcakes go, girl?
I gotta wait till Joe finishes his milkshake.
Oh, well,
Is that a Jeffrey Shane Dawson?
She just wants you to shit your pants.
I know she really does.
5 more spins.
Come on.
Retrigger.
Ship.
Come on,
$20.
Are you saying ship or ship?
Dragon.
Both.
Anything, baby. Dragon, retrigger, ship.
Nothing. Come on. Oh, that hurt.
That hurt. Dragon.
Green. Last spin.
Oh, that bullshit.
Ship. Oh, that was such a nice
There's a lot
setup
of them
there.
around.
All right.
Not bad. Back in it. At least we can still play 10.
Mhm.
Is there a $20 one?
Is there a 10-cent denom? Oh,
Didn't I see somebody play?
Hold on, I gotta readjust. We haven't even needed to fucking dick shim it yet. That's how good we're doing.
Those were the days.
Oh my god, I can't.
Oh, that guy behind me saw me wagging the dick around.
We almost doubled.
Maybe he'll fuck me now.
Oh, God.
Thanks for watching. If you're interested in joining my Patreon, click on the icon on the left. If you're new to my channel, click on the middle to subscribe. And if you're feeling frisky, click on one of the 2 videos on the right.